Hello, everyone. My name is Megan Williamson, and I'm a Pinterest marketing expert. Today, I am here to share with you some unique information and tips surrounding what your customer's unique journey is when it comes to Pinterest. So many business owners are very excited to begin using Pinterest and integrate it into their marketing plan, but they are trying to apply tactics or strategies that they've learned in other social media platforms, maybe in different programs, about how to actually attract and convert their ideal customers from this amazing search engine. So what I wanted to share with you was a few tips about what that unique journey is for that customer pathway for an average Pinterest user. And by sharing this information, you can adapt that sales funnel that you are going to want to create for this audience. Now, we know that people on Pinterest are heading there in droves to discover solutions to problems. They're going there to plan, to discover an idea. And as a business owner, you likely have those solutions to the problems that they have. That's why we're out here marketing our business, right? So I want you to think about what it's going to take from pin, so from discovery of your pin to the day that they purchase. Now, we've been conditioned as consumers or as business owners in the online space for things to happen quickly. We want that sale yesterday. But the reality is that users on Pinterest, they're planners. They are pinning today for an action or a project that they're not probably going to execute for a while. And as a savvy business owner, you need to take this into your plan so that you know that you're pinning today, you are being strategic on this visual search engine for purchases and conversions that you will hopefully make in 2 months, 3 months, 6 months time. And that's what's so amazing about this platform is that as more and more people are saving and engaging with your content, Pinterest starts to understand what you have to offer. And then as you're using keywords and optimizing your content, you will be shown to more and more users who are searching for your amazing products and ideas. Now, there tends to be a little bit of a lazy pathway that from the day they discover you to the actual conversion. And what I want to encourage you, what I notice over and over again, is that people are incredibly enthusiastic. They're very excited about using Pinterest, but they don't think about that customer's journey. So from the day that people discover your pin on Pinterest, they're not likely to actually take action and sign up for your email newsletter right away because they don't know who you are. They don't have that context. They don't know what the next step is. And as a business owner, it's your responsibility to think about and be intentional when it comes to that customer journey pathway. So after they discover you, they're going to head to your website, your online shop, or your blog. And they're going to be looking for some clues about who you are, why you're unique, and think about your differentiators. Can you solve the problem that they have? Now, most likely, they're going to end up looking around and leave, and they're going to go check out other ideas. Because remember, they're in discovery mode. They're not quite ready to make a purchase yet. So as a business owner, it's your responsibility to think about how you're going to convert them at that stage. So have you optimized your website or blog for capturing their details? Where do you convert your traffic? I often ask this when I'm working with clients, especially e-commerce or people who have bigger businesses, because they have invested a lot of money and time in understanding what is that typical customer journey. And I want to encourage you to do the same. Think about where you convert your audience. Now, depending on what type of business you have and what other resources that you have invested in your marketing channels, here are some areas that you might want to consider. Email marketing. A lot of people use their email marketing to nurture their audience. 2, it might be your Instagram stories. Some folks are very active on stories and are very good at selling in the DMs. So I want you to consider that. Next, I want you to consider maybe a Facebook community. Maybe you're a business coach or someone who's very active and vocal in your Facebook community, and you know if you can get them to start showing up to your lives, they're going to fall in love with you. You're going to be able to nurture with them, engage with them, and they're going to sign up or buy your product. Now, these are just some examples of places that people often convert when it comes to an online business. So I want you to have a think about your own business and think about where you convert your audience. Next, when people come to your website, are you directing them to that next step to where you convert them? Are you inviting them to join your email list? Are you inviting them to take advantage of a freebie or a lead magnet that you offer? Or maybe you're going to be hosting a free workshop or webinar soon. Or if you sell a product, maybe you can give them a discount or a coupon for their purchase to get them onto your email list. Or like I said, if you love Instagram and you spend a lot of time there, maybe you want to invite people to check out your Instagram account and you begin to get to know them through your DMs and your stories and engaging with them that way. Same goes for Facebook. Maybe you could lead them to a page that positions your Facebook community and why they're going to want to get in there and what it has to offer them. But you can see where I'm going here, that oftentimes people think, put a pin up on Pinterest, make a sale. That is not how it happens, my friend. So what you're going to do is you're going to create intention and have pins that lead people directly to the place where you can nurture them and get to know them. Email marketing, it's going to be your Facebook communities, it's going to be your Instagram account, and maybe TikTok, Snapchat, wherever it may be that you're investing resources and inviting people to take that next step with you. Now, it's your job to actually ensure that you're nurturing them and letting them warm up and get to know you so that once you have something to sell them or once you want them to buy, you extend that invitation to them, right? That is your job. So the reality is that it often takes 2 or 3 months to convert a Pinterest user, which surprises a lot of people because we've been conditioned with Facebook and Instagram ads that things should be instantaneous. I should put an ad up and make a sale. Well, especially when things are more expensive, people need time. And it's your job as a business owner to make sure that you are positioning yourself as the best of the best in whatever you sell or whatever you share with the world if you're a blogger. Now, I hope that you found this helpful. I'm going to be linking to a blog post that I wrote that will give you more details about that unique customer journey when it comes to your Pinterest audience so that hopefully you can learn how to make more sales when it comes to Pinterest and convert all those amazing leads that you're getting. I hope that you found this useful. If you did, subscribe to my channel and I'll see you next time.